Today I've got a customer that wanted me to put in some anchors, and these are screw-in anchors. It's about 36 inches long, and it's driven in by a special machine, an anchor machine. These are anchor machines. This one's a little older than this one. This is a heavy horsepower motor, and it has a high gear ratio, gear right here to turn it real slow, therefore really strong. This one, you can stick the anchor head in. This one, you put the anchor like so. It's a little different. They both are now pretty expensive. I saw one similar to this one for $2,500. I think the cheapest one I saw was $1,000. So it almost behooves you as a customer that's trying to do your own work. You'd be better off not paying $1,000 to buy the machine, unless you intend to do it on some other buildings like portable buildings and such. But these gotta go within 2 feet of the front, no more than 15 feet apart. You can have more, more or less than 15 feet. You can add more anchors. And then you have the straps. And the straps come like that. Sometimes they come in boxes, and these go in that anchor. I'm going to show you how it does, and wraps around the frame. There's more than one way to wrap it or hang it onto the frame, and I'll show you what the differences are. But this is what we're going to do today, and we'll probably get rained out and have to do it some more work in the afternoon, if not another day. But I'm going to try to show you as much as I can today. All right? See you in a minute.